Hello, have you been thinking about making a career change, but you don't know where to start? Or that you know what your career change is, but you don't know how to get there? Hello, my name is Suki, and I am a career coach based in New Zealand, helping ambitious professionals to redefine their grind and to find their dream job. And in this video, I would like to take you through my top 3 tips on how to make a career change. Yes, I get it. And a lot of clients say this to me is that I don't want to make a career change and then regret it 2 years down the line because I will find myself in the same position of dreading my job again. Definitely, we don't want that to happen. So my first tip for you is actually figure out what is the reason why you want a career change. What are the reasons that you're not enjoying your current job? It might be because of the environment or the people that you're with, or this job is not providing you with the opportunities that you want to grow in. Whatever that is, figure it out, because once you figure out what is not working for you, then you can change that part. You might realize that you don't need an overhaul of your career. You might just need one or several conversations with your manager to talk about that. Hey, I actually don't enjoy this part of my job and I'm much better at this part of my job. Can I do more of this and less of that? And my second tip for you is once you have figured out why you don't enjoy your current job, then is to plan for your next career move. What planning means here is that you got to figure out what are the missing steps to get to where you want to go. Let's say you want to change the career profession that you're in currently and a completely change of industry. Then it is to ask yourself, am I missing the industry connections to get me that job that I want? Or do I not know what this industry entail? Therefore, I need to interview people that are in the jobs that I want to see how they got to where they are. Or that you don't have the skills to get into this industry. Therefore, you need to retrain or get some voluntary opportunities to practice those skills. Whatever the missing steps are, you gotta go and do that. And my third and final tip, and this is crucial, is that you need to embrace a mindset that is going to be helpful for you to get to that next job, to execute on that plan. Often it is not that we are not good at planning or we're not good at following through a plan. It is actually because that we're not having a mindset that's serving us, or we're not having that perseverance in order to get to that next stage. So here, what I would like you to ask yourself is this question: what are the fears that are holding me back from executing through this plan? What are some internal barriers that I have for myself that I haven't been able to get over? You might find that you have fears of putting yourself out there, or you have fears of what if this is not going to work out and I don't want to commit. Whatever those fears and assumptions that you have about yourself right now, go and tackle those so that you can embrace a mindset that is going to be helpful for you to execute that plan and believe that it's going to happen. I hope these 3 tips have been helpful for you. And if you would like a one-on-one conversation about how to make your career move, then do book me in for a free 30-minute coaching chat using the link below this video. And I will see you in the next video.